Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, Iris is having a nice little time. I mean, look at her ear. Everybody flying, flying. Oh, and I have a new tattoo. Why won't you concentrate? Oh wait, no, it is concentrating. It's just really bad. It looks really bad. It's kind of broken. Anyway, so Iris is being kind of cute now. She's kind of just been sitting here for a while. Hey Iris, want some water? Come. Want some water, Razzie? Want some water? Iris? Want some water? No? Okay. So, she doesn't want water. She was looking over there for some reason. And she wants to go inside. Iris, you can go inside. Iris, come here. Sit. You're allowed to be in here. You just can't be just this one, okay? Okay, guys? Good girl. Well, guys, see ya. Sorry if my videos are really short. I'll try to make them longer next time. See if I can do another video. So, bye-bye. Say bye, Razzie. Iris, I said say bye. Iris, I said. Iris, say bye. Okay, let's just pretend she said bye. See ya.